Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford F150 door handle. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket wrench. Next, ensure your truck's window is completely rolled down. This provides better access to internal components. Finally, carefully locate and remove all visible screws securing the interior door panel, often found in the armrest and behind the handle. With the screws removed, gently pry up the window switch panel using your trim removal tool. Disconnect the electrical connectors by pressing their release tabs. Now, starting from the bottom edge, carefully work your trim tool around the perimeter of the door panel to release the plastic retaining clips. Once all clips are free, lift the panel upwards to detach it from the door frame. After removing the interior panel, carefully peel back the plastic moisture barrier to gain access to the handle mechanism. You'll see two control rods or cables connected to the handle. Gently unclip these from their attachment points. Next, locate the two 10mm bolts that secure the handle assembly to the door frame. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove these bolts. Once the bolts are out and the rods are disconnected, the handle assembly can be carefully slid out from the exterior of the door. To install your new handle, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all rods are securely reconnected and bolts are tightened to a snug fit. Double-check all electrical connections before reattaching the door panel. For other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.